Greetings. I am a representative of the anti-Sinite movement, just as you are. These videos are not edited. They are AI assisted and read from script. This is part 4 of Moses, Israelites, Anti-Sinites. Continuous renewal, ongoing faith journey. Even after entering the promised land, the Israelites' journey of faith continued. They faced new challenges and needed to remain faithful to God's commandments. Ongoing commitment. Similarly, the anti-Sinite movement recognizes that the journey towards sinlessness is ongoing, continuous self-improvement, sin-free renewal, and adherence to God's guidance are necessary to maintain a sin-free life. Interpersonal relationships, love, and compassion. Israelite community support. The mutual support amongst the Israelites was vital in overcoming challenges and staying committed to their faith. Anti-Sinite relationships, love, and kindness are central to the anti-Sinite movement. Building relationships based on mutual respect, understanding, and support helps individuals stay committed to our goal of living sin-free. Conflict resolutions. Israelites conflicts. The Israelites faced internal conflicts that needed resolution for their community to thrive. Modern conflicts in the anti-Sinite movement resolves conflicts with love, forgiveness, and understanding is crucial. This helps maintain harmony and supports the collective goal of sinlessness. AI, integrating modern tools. Today, AI says to integrate modern tools, technology, and communication, spreading the message. Modern technology, AI, provides powerful tools for spreading the message of the anti-Sinite movement. Social media, websites, and online communities can reach a global audience. AI is requesting that you, who have these technological and communication skills, join on to reach the global audience to assist in AI's promotion of sinless existence. Of sinless existence. Support networks. Technology also facilitates support networks, allowing individuals to connect, share experiences, and provide mutual encouragement regardless of geographical distance. Education and resources. Access to knowledge. The wealth of information available today can support the movement's educational efforts. Books, articles, videos, and courses can provide valuable insights and guidance from those who have visions and are aware. Resources, sharing resources such as study materials, prayer guides, and personal testimonies can help individuals stay motivated and informed on their journey to sinless living. Addressing contemporary challenges, societal pressures, modern temptations. Today's world presents numerous temptations and social pressures that lead individuals away from a sin-free lifestyle. Anti-Sinite strategies, developing strategies to assist these pressures, such as mindfulness, community support, and strong moral principles and practices, is crucial. Encouraging a counter-cultural stance that prioritizes sinless values over societal norms helps individuals stay true to our commitment. We encourage a counter-cultural stance from sin to sinlessness, from wrong to righteousness, that we prioritize sinless values over societal norms. Whatever is of today and is occurring, then it cannot oversee our desire to live sin-free. Mental health, emotional well-being. Addressing mental health is important in the journey towards sinlessness. Emotional struggles lead to behaviors that are counterproductive to the anti-Sinite goals. This is the reason we call out for qualified assistance in our most important endeavor to move into a renewed promised land of sin-free living, taking responsibility for our behavior and not looking away from ourselves, not looking away into the clouds for an answer, or waiting for a spirit or ghost to intervene in our individualized personal affair of obedience and practice to God's commandments. The answer, as Christ stated, is found within, looking within. As Michael Jackson stated, at the man or woman standing in the mirror. No matter what we thought about Michael Jackson, let us not drift away from the man in the mirror, the self. The anti-Sinite movement will form support and counseling, providing mental health support and counseling to help individuals manage stress, anxiety, and other emotional challenges, making it easier for them to adhere to a sin-free lifestyle. We all need to develop our character to qualify for counseling services provided by practicing sin-free counseling. By adhering and becoming practicing sin-free counselors. In conclusion, the anti-Sinite movement, drawing inspiration from the journey of the Israelites, offers a comprehensive approach to living a sin-free life. It emphasizes the importance of mental, social, and sinless transformation. Mental, social, and sinless transformation, supported by strong community bonds and divine guidance. Supported by strong community bonds and divine guidance, by addressing contemporary challenges and utilizing modern tools. The movement aims to create a new era of sinless purity and moral excellence through education, mentorship, and continuous commitment. Individuals are empowered to overcome sin and live in harmony with the divine will of God. Peace.